In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your grades in Google Classroom. First, head to the Google Classroom homepage. This is the dashboard that lists all your classes. Make sure you're signed in with the correct school account so you're seeing the right classroom tiles. If you have multiple classes, they'll appear as cards. You can scroll to find the one you want to check. Next, open the class where you want to see a grade. The class tile might be called something like sample in this example, but yours will show the course name. Once you're inside the class, look along the top of the page for the classwork tab. That's where assignments, questions, and materials are organized by topic. Click classwork to switch from the stream to a cleaner list of work. Now find the assignment you want to check. In this walkthrough, we're opening an assignment called Reflection Paper. You might see assignment status labels next to the title like assigned, turned in, or returned. Assigned means you haven't submitted yet. Turned in means you submitted and it's awaiting grading. Returned usually indicates a score is available. Click the assignment title to open its panel. From there, click View Instructions. This opens the full assignment details page. Here you'll see the description from your teacher, any attached files, your submission, and the grading area. If your teacher uses a rubric, a link to the rubric appears here as well. Your score appears in the grading pane, typically as points earned out of the total, something like 18 out of 20. If the assignment hasn't been graded yet, you'll see the status instead of a number. When a score is posted, you can also review feedback. Look for private comments from your teacher under the grading area. These notes often explain what went well and what to improve. If a rubric is available, expand it to see how each criterion was evaluated, which makes it easier to understand where points were gained or lost. That's the process. Open Classroom, enter your class, go to classwork, select the assignment, view instructions, and read your score. If you don't see a grade yet, it usually means it hasn't been released. Try checking back later or refreshing the page. Repeat these steps for any other assignments you want to review so you always know where you stand in the class. This simple routine makes it easy to track progress, catch missing work early, and use teacher feedback to improve your next submission. Thanks for watching and feel free to rewatch any part of this video while you follow along in your own Google Classroom.